how to customize auto action after pointer stops on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on accessibility. After that, tap on interaction and dexterity. Now from here, go down and tap on auto action after pointer stops. And to readjust, you can turn on auto click. So turn on auto click to turn it on or switch it off. Once it is turned on, you can choose pause auto click with top left corner action, top right corner action, bottom left or bottom right corner action. Okay, so that's the auto click. Here we got corner actions, so we can set top left to perform certain functions such as open or close notifications and so on. So many options for you to choose from. And then again, you can set it for top right, bottom left, bottom right. You can also change the delete time before action. And that's it. If you make a mistake or you want to go back to the default, you can tap on set as default. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.